Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we are squaring up some oversights and taking our work to the next level. Now, it's often not until we're in the assembly stage that it becomes extremely apparent how crooked our cuts are, or how that minor defect is actually a glaring problem. Now, there's plenty of information out on the internet about how to square up your table saw fence or how to get perfect miters on your chop saw. But it's not always the obvious that needs your attention. Have you ever checked to make sure that your bench itself is level? Or how about those squares you bought on sale? Are they even square at all? Probably not. Now, even the slightest deviation in precision can have such a massive effect overall. Taking the time to make sure that your most basic, most relied upon tools are what you believe them to be will save you so much time and headaches in the long run.